Oh, I don't know. We've just pressed play.
We're gone. Oh,
We're on.
we're working.
We're on.
Hi. Sorry, we're really disorganised this morning. And late. We're late. But as customers in the shop, so we're not going to turn them away.
We're talking about Bridgerton. Have you all watched it?
Absolutely. Oh, no, I can't give any spoilers.
No spoilers.
But episode 8 does get a bit steamy, so, you know.
That's when you make your cup of tea.
You go and get your cup of tea if you're watching it with your mum.
You don't watch it with your mum.
You don't watch it with your mum.
No, I wouldn't. But we do have the Bridgerton soundtrack playing in the shop today.
We do.
So if you fancy a little bit of Bridgertoning,
in honour of season 4,
come in.
Yeah, we won't be dancing. We're not going to be dancing around the shop.
I don't know.
You know.
You might.
You
You're very good at dancing. How do you do dance?
I do dancing, but I don't do Regency.
What do you do?
I do ballroom and Latin. Yeah, so I could Viennese waltz around the shop.
Please do.
But yeah,
That's for another episode.
that's another
Another day.
another day.
Oh,
Another day, another dance. Yeah.
What's going on?
Something's happening in the
Anglia
street.
Water. So Anglia Water outside our shop, for some, I don't know why, we haven't got any issues with water, but there's signs and stuff saying that it's all closed, but we're open, so...
It's like my village actually at the moment. The one of the roads in my village is closed because of burst Victorian sewage pipes.
Ooh.
So yeah, great fun.
Stinky.
Yeah, well, I feel sorry for the lady that lives right in front of where she's got a generator going 24/7 outside her house, so that's not good.
That isn't good.
Yeah, so hopefully they'll get that sorted soon.
Anyway, enough of sewage and generators.
Back to Bridgerton. No.
Let's talk about our shop. So, Teresa, what's on the docket today?
All right, let me just get the list because got me a
Actually,
bit
we're
of paper.
standing strategically in front of the
We are.
first thing.
First, item number 1 on today's agenda, the 50% off fabric shelf.
Oh, it's getting a bit skinny.
It's getting skinny, and this ends on Saturday. So if you want to come in, grab a bargain with the 100% quilting cottons,
half price.
half price. That ends. Actually, that's a nice one as well. Yeah, that's pretty. That ends
that one's really cute.
this Saturday.
This is really sweet too. Look, it's got little houses on.
Oh, that's nice. That's a nice spring one as well.
Very spring with little
It matches the
hearts.
colour of the daffodils.
There you are, daffodil fabric. Oh, that is lovely.
Beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, there are some very nice ones in here. If you are quilting, bag making, dressmaking, if you basically need... Sorry, don't get me giggling.
You're fine. Yes. So this ends on Saturday because we need this space for something else. Now, I cannot tell you what I want that space for currently. It's a surprise.
I did ask. I said, "Are we moving?" She went, "No, no."
And I'm still working out how it actually works. But excited.
Exciting news.
We will tell you hopefully
watching.
next week, maybe if I've got that far.
Tune in, same time, same place next week for the next exciting
Next
instalment.
Well,
now that Bridgerton's ended, you've got to tune in to us.
Nothing else to watch.
Nothing else to watch. Tune in to us, and yeah, we'll be your substitute Bridgerton people for the next few weeks, the next year until season 5 arrives.
Although there's a very good, interesting documentary on Netflix on the Ozempic injection currently, which I'm in the middle of.
Is that good?
Very interesting. Very interesting watching.
Okay.
So that's what I'm up to at the moment.
Or you could watch Alison, what's her name, interviewing the Bridgerton cast, because that's on there as well.
Oh, Alison. Yeah. Oh, she's fun. I like
what's
her.
her name? Alison. You know the lady
Dunno.
I mean. The lady that does the breakfast morning programme.
Didn't she do Loose Women as well?
Loose Women. I think she's probably on that. I think she's Strictly at one point. You would know who I mean. Yes.
You know who she is.
You know who she is.
Right, so that ends
one.
next week because something else new is coming.
That ends this Saturday. Saturday. Next thing, crochet workshop. So we have a absolute beginners getting to know crochet this Saturday. That is fully booked. So we are going to do another one. We're going to schedule in one in April.
The 18th.
Saturday the 18th of April.
It.
I'm doing it. Yes. So we are scheduling in another workshop. So if you missed out or you sort of like, oh, I really wanted to do that, there is another one coming. Keep your eye out. It will be on the website.
I will post
shortly.
it this afternoon.
Brilliant. Talking of workshops, dressmaking's happening.
Dressmaking. So we had the lovely new Beth D in yesterday, who was with Beth O. We now have 2 Beths in the shop. Rather confusing.
B1 and B2.
They were in all morning doing videos and promoting the workshops. and they had a lovely giggle together, and they got on. So it was, I hadn't met before, and it was just like she's been here forever. So we're very excited to have Beth with us, the other Beth, the new Beth, and the old Beth.
God, I'm going to get so confused. I'm just going to stand here on a Saturday and go, Beth!
No, we've got Beth D and Beth O. Beth O is pretty cool.
Yeah, Beth O is very cool.
Anyway, so she was in, so more on her is coming because we need to edit the videos, but yeah.
Lovely.
You can see her and meet her virtually before the sessions. But her first session is the 11th of April, which is
Stevie.
And here is one Georgie made earlier. Yeah. So this is a Stevie dress. You can see it's a really cute kind of tunic style dress.
Can be a top, can't it, I think?
Yes, for the dress though, Beth did say that she would probably add a tie. You can add like a little tie, just have an extra of your fabric just to cinch it in a little bit. But as you can see with Stevie, you can do either a top or a top or
I can see your nose.
I'm so sorry. You could do a top or a dress. It doesn't really matter. You just need obviously more fabric for your dress because you're going to cut here and not here. That makes sense because that's on the difference.
But it has got a nice little bow detail on the back as well.
Lovely little bow detail on the back, keeping it super simple. So we do already have 3 people booked on that one, and it only went live last week, so that's very exciting.
And with the dressmaking, we're capping it at 5 people. 5 people. So
just to give you a bit more space.
Yeah.
So in the sessions, so your ticket will include obviously expertise of Beth, our workspace area. You'll get a Tilly in the Button pattern in that price, and then all you need to do is bring your sewing machine and the fabric. So what fabric you need is on the back, which is on the website. So if you zoom in, you can see, you have to look at what size you are and then what amount of fabric you need. But we can help you if you struggle.
Yeah, and you can always get your fabric here on the day.
Fabric here on the day, 20% off, or bring something that you've found somewhere else. That's also fine. No judgment. If it's not from here.
Yeah, we won't
we'll let you use
it.
Or we'll try and find out where you got it, and then we'll try and get it into the shop.
If we really like it, we'll just look where we can find it and
source
source
the supplier.
it. Yeah, absolutely. Now we do also have some very exciting news, which I will let Leah tell you all about.
Now this is an exclusive. No one knows this yet. Only the people who actually need to know.
And the 5 people watching this now.
And the 5 people watching. So, on the 13th of June,
lock it in your diary now.
Albright of Dis is hosting the world's first ever Dis Craft Festival at the Corn Hall. It is going to be huge. I'm so excited. So excited. So we're going to have stall holders, it's like over 30 stall holders. We're running, Teresa is running taster workshops, crochet, sewing, just to give you a sample of what we kind of do here.
Bit of needle felting, hand embroidery.
There you are, all that jazz. We're going to have some sewing machine demos, hopefully, if Lucinda's around. Hope that's okay, Lucinda. I haven't asked her yet because I haven't seen her for a while.
Lucy, are you watching? Are you free? Quick!
Put it in your diary. I need you on the 13th of June, please. Thank you very much. Yeah, so hopefully we kind of have asked if Janome can come. I'd love them to come. If you're watching, Janome, we'd love you to come. So yeah, lots going on. And also we're going to create spaces for people to just bring their craft with them. So it came off the back of us wanting to create a bigger space so people could have a coffee, bring their friends or make new friends, bring your work with you, bring your projects, bring your sewing, bring your knitting, whatever, and just be able to sit in a public space and craft and not feel awkward. People haven't got to be on their phones to feel like
and the coffee shop will be open over in the corn hall, so it's a great opportunity to if you craft but you don't really know anybody else that crafts, to make some new friends. So come along, buy coffee, bring your crochet and just sit. And
there's a lot going on. So it's a free entry, so all are welcome, but I do need stall holders. So if you have a craft business, side gig, whatever, and you would like to join, please email me at albrightofdis@gmail.com. Tell me what it is that you sell and maybe a photo just so I can get an idea of it. So we need to we want to fill the whole room, hold space, create a great energy. But so it's going to be Dis Craft Festival, 13th of June, 10 till 3. Be there.
World exclusive.
I know, you heard it here first. So I will be posting later on today on our thing, so you can. I've got a landing page so you can read some more information and put it in your diaries.
And if you're one of the many people who we have now that have been to our workshops, who've learnt a new skill and have gone off and taken that skill and created products that they are now selling at craft fairs, you know who you are. You know who you are, ladies.
Oh, I did email Jane, but she's busy.
Well, there's a few others though, aren't there? That have, especially in the crochet area. So if you want to come along and have a stall, do. It'd be a fun day. Yeah. Will Andy be there?
Of course. Why are you laughing? He can audit you.
I was going to say, he'll audit me. He'll be there with his clipboard.
Andy's my husband, who's obviously like co-owner, but he kind of flies in, flies out on a weekend. But only Teresa really gets to see him because she works on a Saturday.
I'm the only one that works on the weekend, so yeah.
The other day he's like, I think I need to come to the shop. I haven't audited Teresa recently.
Nobody else gets audited. It's only me. But then, to be fair, I am the only one that's most likely to fall down the stairs or get stuck in a doorway.
Normally it's critique on whose handwriting a sign has been done with.
Yes.
Who wrote this? If it's Teresa, then it's like, oh, let's do it again, shall we? The dot's in the wrong place. He's very particular.
He's very, very. If I do not cross my T's and dot my I's, I nearly said cross my I's and dot my T's, which is probably why he has to audit me. Probably. Yeah. But yes, so do keep your eye out. Have a look at the website. It will be a fun day. And yeah, hopefully we are genuinely hoping it can be something that happens every year, and is something that Dis can get excited about.
Excited.
Yeah, lovely.
Cool. Was there anything else we had on our little list?
No, my list has now been done. We have gone tick 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 tick. It is all
efficient.
Been
Look
done.
at that, a short one today.
That is very efficient for us.
Wow, we can get back to work and
get back to work.
Do something else.
Get back to my ordering.
Oh yeah, you've got to do some ordering today.
Got to do some ordering.
Yeah,
yes.
we're running out of threads.
Yeah, but it's lovely, and it's been a nice morning so far. I mean, it's been the weather's been awful. I mean, we were getting close to having to build an ark. It's it was getting very, very wet. So it's the last 2 days have been nice. So I wasn't prepared to have people in the shop, to be honest, because I thought they'll all be in their gardens. It's that kind of, you're either gardening or you're crafting. But no, people have been out, and it's been really nice.
I'm thinking, I'm not sure I trust you to build my ark.
Yeah, no, don't.
I'm like, outsource.
Holly and I will crochet you an ark. We can't guarantee it'll be waterproof though. We'll be almost as successful as crocheted swimming trunks. So,
well, there's a thought to leave you with.
And if you are of a certain age, you will remember crocheted swimming trunks. They did exist.
No,
they did. They did. Before my time, but you can still see photos and pictures of them in vintage. Probably
proper
books.
wool then, was it? That would shrink?
Probably. I don't know. Yeah. Crocheted bikinis.
Love that.
Just got to make sure you get your holes in the right place.
Right.
And on that note,
because this has taken a little bit of a turn.
It has, hasn't it? We've come full circle from bathtub scenes in Bridgerton to crocheted bikinis with holes in them. So we'll leave you with that. Go and have a cup of tea and enjoy your week. Keep crafting. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye. I've got to find the button now. Is it this one here?
Yeah.
Okay. It didn't work.